So how to pay your UnionBank credit card bill using Gcash. So just simply log in to your Gcash. Just simply input your MPIN here and then make sure that your Gcash has an available balance. So select bills and then select credit cards and then look for the UnionBank Visa or MC. And then here, first is you need to input the amount you want to pay in your UnionBank credit card. And then take note that you will be charged a service fee of 10 pesos. So in my case, I'm going to pay for 12,531.70. And then next is I'm going to input my credit card number here. So this can be found at the back of your UnionBank credit card. So just hold on. And then once you input your credit card number here, just double check the number and make sure it is correct. And after that, I'm going to input my email address. This is optional, but in my case, I'm just going to add mine so that the receipt of this transaction will also be sent to my email address. So just hold on again. I'm just going to input my email address. So there's that. So after I input my email address here, so I'm going to proceed to the next step, which is to click on the next button. So click next, and then you will be sent to the confirmation page. So make sure to review all the details here before you click on submit. So once I confirm mo na that all the details you provided are correct, then click on confirm. Then voila! So your transaction has been processed, and then your payment, take note that your payment will be posted within 3 business days. So thank you for watching. Bye.